Good morning. Got my coffee. Got my... You see those? My Marvel PJ pants. Dry skin. That was a bit close. I got a new box. I've sort of unwrapped it a bit already because they're a fucker to get open. Check this out. Alright, let's just wait till... Oh, that was easy. Have a look. They sent the right ones! Holy cow. Ooh. Ooh. I'm going to hang it up. Hang on. That's nice. Have a look. Oh shit. Oop. So here we are. We've got them. So now there's no 3-week wait for our smalls. Unfortunately, our trusty manufacturer sent us a whole lot of blank ones, but there's now no wait for the smalls. So you can jump on the website. There's a really good size chart there. We've made all of our hoodies to US sizing, so they're nice and comfortable and big, and yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to see this. Hang on. They're nice and stretchy, beautiful to touch, so nice to touch. It's a shame that you don't get to experience until you've actually bought it, but when you buy it, yeah, you'll be wrapped. So there you go. Jump online. You don't have to wait for smalls. The other sizes are on their way, but you're going to love these, I promise. You know what? I'll give you your money back. If you're not happy with them, I'll give you your money back, no questions. I trust this product. Come and grab one. Peace. Marvel pants. Gotta stay real, right?